Alright, this is a quickie video. Along the side of all of the other things I've been doing, I've been learning to 3D print with a new 3D printer that was gifted to me some time ago that's not new, so it needed repairs. Anyway, I made a phone holder. Now, what I film most of my desk videos with is this thing with a couple of blobs of blue tack on it to hold my phone. So I made this little bracket that just slots straight on and it holds your phone. And then I got thinking, I have a 3D printer. I can make little wonky things like this, and I'll show you what this is for. Now, one of the things that autism, a spatial brain, and a 3D printer and a military vehicle can do is help you generate massive problems for yourself that you didn't realize you ever had before. Climbing into the back of the 6B and turning the ceiling lights on, we find that off the internal roll bar there are bolts here. Notice this suspicious bit of blue tack? That's where I stick my phone when I'm laying here and I want to watch stuff at night. So those fellow spatial minded among you have probably already figured out what that part is for. It's supposed to, if my measurements were right, sit in here, but I need two hands. And lo and behold, I wasn't stupid. It probably doesn't need to go up super tight if I can find the right setting on this thing. Alright, it goes in. And these probably don't need to go up super tight, just enough to stop it rattling loose on the road. Excuse me while I process macas. Well, that went crunch. That either is that cracking or it's the piece behind it. Anyway, now we can just drop you straight in there. And it's the right angle and everything. And it pops off. And I can remove that sticky bit of blue tack and I can clean up this whole rail and make this whole end of the amber look a little bit cleaner. Hey, but those of you who know this channel go, but dude, you've got a projector, why don't you watch stuff on that? Well, yes, I guess I could. But I don't always have the power budget for that. And sometimes I like to keep myself awake by reading into the intricate details of the people that tell me I'm wrong every day on YouTube, particularly about double clutching. So anyway, I'm going to go enjoy this. I'm going to lay down, and sorry I can't show you with a phone in it because I'm using the phone to film. I do have a spare one somewhere. No idea where it went. Anyhow, catch you later. Hope it was fun. I can tell you the angle's about perfect. I should have made it adjustable, but I was lazy. So, see you later.